Welcome. Shelly Saenz-Haro here. All right, it's time to put on our real estate hat and also our social butterfly, because we need to be able to let people know about our service that we provide. Okay, so I have an Etsy shop that I want to invite you to go take a look and see if this would meet your real estate agent needs, your marketing needs. And I have a template there. In fact, we're going to go over this one together. It's Christmas calories don't count. And it says happy holidays. It's just a fun way to reach out to your clients and let them know about your service. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut this here. Now, if you have someone moving to the DFW area, I'd be happy to show them around, and we'd be able to set up the appropriate documentation to be sure you get your commission at closing, your referral fee. And also, but if you are in need of a realtor in the DFW area, I'd be happy to provide my service, and we'd be able to set up an appointment and go over your real estate needs. You can email me, you can message me, and we can be in contact. All right, well, let's continue here. So I'm going to punch a hole here in the middle of the tag, the top of the tag. And I have this clear bag that I found at Kroger. And also the confetti I found over at Family Dollar. And I have holiday cookies here also that they sell at Family Dollar that I'm going to put in here as well. Really cute. It's a Santa Claus belt, looks like, and then a little gingerbread cookie. So we put that in there along with your business card. So I sell these little keys in my Etsy shop as well, and I secure it in place. Put that in there. Okay. And then we'll give it a spin. Okay, and now what we'll do is put ribbon through here. But if you have any questions about real estate, be happy to help you answer those questions. So just reach out to me and we can be in communication. All right, we're almost done here. Okay, make a little bow. Okay, there we go. All righty. This is so super cute. Let me see if I get this tag to sit right. There we go. All right. Well, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.